Greetings everyone. Rental in All Business Plan. Here is where your rental journey will begin. About a company. West Rental Management. We help you get anything to everything you can rent. That is vehicles, apartments, office space, event venue, vacation property, campsite, tools and equipment. Anything at one stop in Thunder Bay. Business hours Monday to Friday 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mission statement. We understand that rental businesses in the US and Canada are quite underrated. We need to understand that it won't be a huge aspect, but a huge importance in your life. People get little difficulty in handling and understanding, juggling between one side to another. But we here will help you rent anything to everything at one stop. You can rent, occupy, and sell. One of the great writers says that 12% of people marry because they are completely in love. 88% people marry because they just think that they would be liable only for the half of their rent. Rental analysis. Rental.ca, RentMeta, Facebook Marketplace would be our major competitors. Facebook Marketplace would be a huge danger because they buy and sell anything to everything like we do. All our competitors are mainly focused on real estate or just one genre. That would be vehicles rent or real estate or something. But we here are not just for one estate, that is real estate. We help to connect people to the buyers, to the owners, and owners to the buyers. Our target audience would be 18 to 25, 26 to 35, and 36 to 55 mainly. Business transfers, career search, academic, migration and travel would be our main aspects. Mostly male and females. Countries would be Canadian, Chinese, Indian and others. Academic travel would be local students traveling for studies. Immigrant travels would be international students like us, new PR, work permit holders, explorers, visitor visa, travel visa holders, etc. Career search would be people traveling in different perspectives to get a different perspective on the life. Like people traveling to for forest industry, studies in forestry or something in Thunder Bay. Work transfer would be people traveling to do the work transfers, like work demands or getting a transfer here for some other particular duty or project. Competitor analysis. Organizational chart mainly consists of our CEO because she is involved in our any activity very clearly. Creative team and technical team. Creative team would hold in all the creative ideas, scheduling, postings, and anything. That consists of James and Megha. Technical team would be technical teams are not independent, but they work hand in hand with the creative team and the PR team. They keep a touch and a clear vision of a technical things. Technical team is one of the most important aspect because our company is mainly just a platform. Our team is Tina Mark. She handles a technical team. She is an amazing young professional. Timmy. He is amazing professional who handles external affairs and our clients love him. Megha. Creative ideas come from her mind. She is the company's creative head. Also, she is our owner. Our partners, Rent-Free, YourRight, EquiBest, and Dot Mobiles. Rent-Free would help you to get a cheap, clean, and safe real estate. YourRight for vehicles. EquiBest for best tents, gears, clothes at one spot. You can rent. Dot Mobiles. This is something which we introduce specifically for our clients. Dot Mobiles helps to connect at very easy, cheap rates, and this is one of the first virtual company, you can say. Process would be research development, like anything. Finding the best thing for you. Filtering and diverse. Display a scam-free and a diverse search for you. Communicating. We help you to communicate and resolve all your queries and worries at one spot, just on one click. Then, lastly, pay and own, just for you and until you can enjoy. As soon as the ban lifts, we suppose there would be a huge flow of in and out of people. This will give our company a huge growth. Businesses would like to expand, they would like to grow as they got a quite restriction because of this COVID thing and bans going on, travel plans and everything. As due to COVID, there is a huge impact of people understanding the importance of their family. So they would like to come nearer to their family or staying a little closer to them. Balance sheet. This is a cash flow of completely 1 year from January to December. We have a huge capital, but we would like you to invest and share our profits with. Lastly, we'll have a platform where people find everything at one spot. If, example, they are searching for a vehicle rent and a house rent all at once, we can help them to filter and organize things. They can easily have their priorities and needs, desires compared. Usually watch people, they don't get that because they are unable to decide which side to take and which not. Thank you. You can please give me a call on the following details or visit our website rentalinall.ca. Connect us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or TikTok. Thank you and